So let's take a look at our powered subarc unit. It has the features of the powered slides with the single hand D-pad control, as well as the versatility and the adjustability of the manual head. So it takes the manual unit and in a situation where you are just dragging flux core, let's say, and it gives that operator just another level of control that's easier to use than the standard manual slides. So the powered subarc is set on the same platform of all of our other units. It just gives, probably the biggest thing that this shows is the versatility of our entire system. We can put oscillators on them, we can take the oscillators off, we can put powered slides on, we can put manual slides on. These three packages, we feel like, this being the middle one, are the ones that make the most sense in most application. So this is our powered subarc unit. As far as adjustability is concerned, it has that, like I said, the D-pad control that controls the powered slides. We'll work through some of the adjustments that can be made with the manipulator as it is. There's this knob right here that allows you to adjust in and out quickly and easily. There's also the main column going up 7.5 feet. Going down to there. It's zero gravity. It stays where you put it. It basically is counterbalance weighted with the aid of two independent cables for safety. It all sets on a base that has 4 swivel casters. 2 in the back are locking. Moving around to the back just to show you some more of the adjustments that can be made with the unit. There are 2 socket head cap screws here on the back that when you break it loose, gives you the ability to go from 30 degrees to near vertical effortlessly. And as we move up to the head, showing you the adjustments that can be made there, using a socket head cap screw on the back, we can break this guy loose right here. It adjusts from there around to there. There are also 2 socket head cap screws here in the back that whenever we break those loose, gives the head the ability to be swiveled to the extent that the wires will allow. As you can see, you can easily get 360 degrees out of it. It also has our manual head with the 2 knobs that give you the ability to go from that extent to that extent as far as positioning of the gun, as well as the gun clamp itself can be swiveled as well. Now let's take a quick look at the D-pad control and the powered slides. So basically this is a kind of a breakdown of our D-pad control. We have 4 buttons on it, left, right, up, and down. There's a rapid button on the front, as well as a button that is hooked to your wire feeder that gives you the ability to start and stop the arc just like that. So hitting the left button, you can see it moves very slowly. It's designed to move that way. All the major controls are made with the mechanical portions of the machine. These are really just to be used whenever you're welding. You can see that there is a button that makes it go faster. just giving you some position and capabilities. You know, just try to bridge the gap. You know, down, up, right, fast, slow, fast, slow, fast, slow, left, fast, slow, fast, slow, fast, slow. Like I said, down and up as well. Whenever you're just regular positioning without the rapid, that's the speed at which it travels, primarily what you would be doing whenever you are welding. Very simple, very easy to use, D-pad control. So in closing, basically this is our powered subarc unit. It has the manual head with the powered slides and the D-pad control. What we want at ArcBoss is we want the hottest, we want the hardest, we want the most time-consuming parts of a welder's day. We want that tank that you're filling and capping with flux core, with solid core wire that's 100 inches in circumference, where that operator generally it's going to be very hard on their body. With this, you don't ever have to break the arc. The operator's standing in a very comfortable position. So you get a bump with performance because we don't have to stop. You get a bump in consistency because every welder's welds look the same way. And also you get a bump in safety because you're taking some wear and tear off that welder's body. So, powered subarc. It's a very good unit, very portable, very functional, very flexible unit, and I know it'll help you make better welds in your shop.